guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got some new tires for my truck, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull my truck around the back of the shop over here, and I'm gonna burn these tires down. You can see they got a little bit of tread left, not a whole lot, and then I got some new tires. I'm gonna throw those on and then I'll show them to you. Guys, not a whole lot, not a whole big lot, but it's definitely burnt down a bit. It's what you call a one-wheel peel, because we only got one side. As you can see, this side doesn't have hasn't messed up at all. I mean, hasn't burnt down at all. So she's still steaming a little bit. Still hot. Oh yeah. Yup. Okay. So guys, now that we got her in the air, we're gonna throw these jacks under the front, under the rear there, and lift it up and pull the wheels off. Now this side did not want to spin. I guess sometime I have to get me a locker in the rear. But here is the side that was burning. You can see it's a little dirty from driving around, but she definitely is a little burned down, to say the least. Yup, that's for sure. Okay, so yeah, what we got here is Cooper AT3s. Let's see, what are they? 245, 65, 17. They're like a 29 or 30 overall inch tire. Wanted to make sure they weren't too big. That way I wouldn't have any clearing issues in the front. So yeah, I will put these on, put you guys on fast forward. So guys, on the steering shaft, just a note on this, Borgeson does say to check all the nuts and everything, make sure everything's tight after 100 miles. I don't think I have quite 100 miles on it, but I am going to check that right now. So I'm going to check this one right here. I didn't actually mess with that one, but this one here I did. This is the set screw, and then the collar right there, and then I'm going to check the nuts up underneath the hood. But yeah, I think this is like a 12 millimeter with, I'm not exactly sure the sizes on those, but yeah, I'm then going to tighten those up and throw my wheel back on. One other thing on these wheel spacers, every time I have my wheels off, I just make sure they're torqued down like you saw me earlier with the torque stick. These are torque sticks, you can get them at Napa. I think this is 120, this one is like 140, so they're color coded. And yeah, I just check those up, make sure they're torqued down good. And I have, so far, no problems with the wheel spacers. So far, so good. So we'll cross our fingers and hope we never have any issues down the road. So guys, here's the final look. I think the tires look really good on the wheels. Overall though, I think the wheels, let me back up here just a little bit. I think the wheels almost, or the tires are just a little bit small for the truck. And they're a little bit, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But I think it almost looks a little funny. I'm not sure why. Maybe it needs bigger tires, but anyhow, that's what she looks like. We do have some more front end upgrades coming shortly. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. If you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I will see you guys next video.